How to change app icons in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold on empty space on your home screen, and on top left corner you can see the edit option. Now click on edit and then click on customize. Now here you can see these options. If you want to large your icon size, then click on large and it will be large. Here you can select a dark mode of your icons, automatic and tinted. Now here you can change your icons color like that. So this is the way to change app icons in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.